To install Flutter on macOS, head over to flutter.dev or flutter.io. Navigate to the Get Started screen by clicking the button on the right top and then select macOS. This would take you to the system requirements. The first two requirements are quite straightforward. There are a bunch of tools required as well, which are most likely to be pre-installed on a Mac OS, but you can refer to the resources in the link section below this video if you need to install them. Installing the Flutter SDK involves 3 steps. First, download the installation bundle of the Flutter SDK at a location of your choice. When downloaded, head over to the downloaded bundle, which is a zip file in the Finder window. Double-click to unzip the file. The unzipped version of the bundle is the Flutter SDK. It has a bunch of files and packages that would help you build Flutter apps. Next, navigate to the directory which contains your Flutter SDK. At this point, you have already completed 2 out of the 3 steps required to install the SDK. The third step enables you to use some extremely useful Flutter commands from the command line. Go ahead and copy the command that would add Flutter to your path environment variable. Before pasting, make sure that your present working directory is same as the one which contains the Flutter SDK. Next, execute the Flutter command. If everything was set up correctly, you should be able to see a list of Flutter commands that you can easily execute from the command line.